Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the new Add Your Sticker on Instagram Reel. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So this sticker will help you create a trend, challenge, or a thread. So you can start a challenge, then your followers will tap on the sticker to add their response to the challenge. They can respond with a photo, video, screenshot, or any other media from the camera roll. So let me show you how to use this sticker on Reels. First, make sure to update your Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by going into your App Store or your Play Store to update it. Once updated, open the Instagram app. Now tap on the plus sign to post a reel. Then tap on Reel. This will then take you into the Reels recording screen. Go ahead and record your video. On the next screen, tap on the sticker icon at the top. Next, tap on Add Your Sticker. You should see it in the first row. Now you can add your own text, or if you don't know what to type, press the dice symbol above your keyboard and it will display something random. Once you're happy, go ahead and press done. Now you can place a sticker anywhere on the screen and then post your reel to Instagram. And that is how to use the new Add Your Sticker on Instagram Reel. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.